Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make lip scrub, dye pink lip scrub. So material needed are sugar, yep, some sugar. You need vanilla flavor. You also need food coloring, Luster Clarks food coloring, some coconut oil. This is my homemade coconut oil, and an empty bowl. So you bring out the plate and measure 3 spoons sugar. We measure 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. And stir till the sugar absorb all the moisture. So after that, we put 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. You can add more, it depends on how you want your lip scrub to be. You add more vanilla if you like vanilla, it depends, it's your choice. But we use the vanilla flavor to mask the coconut oil, and it's also good for the lips. I added a little because I want my scrub to be full of vanilla. I just love the taste of vanilla. And also I don't want to hear the coconut oil.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall and I found a way.
After that, you put a drop of food coloring, a drop of red food coloring. You can add any drop, as many drop. It depends on how much you want it, how light you want it. But I want mine to be light red, so I added a drop. And then you stir it till all the sugars absorb the color. So yep, I'm done with it. This is the pink lip scrub. I'm going to transfer it to my empty container. and is ready to use.
Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains.
Use the lip scrub every day for maximum results. And yeah, probably that is it. Dye pink lip scrub, and it can be used for 3 months. You can store it in a container for 3 months without it getting spoiled, but keep it in a dry place. Thanks for watching it. So this is it, dye pink lip scrub. Thank you so much. Bye.